Anyone who wants to increase their hard-earned money must invest it smartly. But what to do with the money you've put aside? Interest rates are at an all-time low. Together with inflation, savings are melting away. Opportunities are plenty, but often time is lacking. The Wikifolio traders know how to use such opportunities. Wikifolio.com is the leading online platform for investment strategies, for trading ideas of private traders and professional asset managers. If a trader has a brilliant idea, they can publish it as a Wikifolio, a virtual portfolio. Only the best prevail here. Trading ideas that find enough supporters will be listed after strict examination as Wikifolio certificates at the Stuttgart Stock Exchange. Joe, too, has invested in Wikifolio certificates. Several Wikifolio traders are working for Joe, from the experienced asset manager to the hidden champion, the undiscovered talent. And his money works particularly hard. Joe can follow the performance of his Wikifolio certificates at any time. Each individual trade is displayed with all the key figures in real time. It all becomes even more comprehensible with the comments of the traders. Clearly arranged rankings and simple search aids make Joe's selection of his Wikifolios easy. And he then invests in a Wikifolio with the bank of his choice. No surprise deductions will spoil Joe's joy with his Wikifolio certificates. There are no hidden costs or fees for transactions on Wikifolio.com. When a Wikifolio successfully performs, the trader receives a part of the returns as a success bonus. All of the functionalities and the use of Wikifolio.com are absolutely free. Do it like Joe. Invest to glance and benefit from the talent of the Wikifolio traders.